In my last video, we recorded a 5,000 client retainer in QuickBooks Online. If you haven't watched that yet, I'll link it in the description. Go watch that video first because today's video picks up exactly where we left off. Sarah Martinez paid you a 5,000 retainer. You recorded it correctly. Her client ledger shows a 5,000 in trust. Now you have done the work, 10 hours at 200 per hour. Total 2,000 earned. So how do you move that 2,000 from your IOLTA to your operating account? Most attorneys just do a bank transfer and match it in QuickBooks. That's wrong, and I'll show you why. Let's go step by step. Let's go to the bank feed first. Your bank has already processed the transfer. You'll see it in the both sides. This is your IOLTA account, money going out from the IOLTA account, and money coming into operating account. Same amount on the same date. That's an interbank transfer. QuickBooks sees both transactions and suggests pairing them. Most attorneys do exactly that. Pair the transfer. Click and done. Feels right. Let me show you what just happened. Go to your IOLTA bank register. Let's go to IOLTA bank register. Previously, it was 5,000. Now, the balance is 3,000. The balance decreased by 2,000. Looks correct. Now let's check Sarah's sub-account under client trust liability. You see, the amount is still 5,000. Nothing changed. The money left the bank, but the client ledger says it's still there. Your three-way reconciliation is already broken. And on the operating side, let's check our operating account register. It just shows as a transfer, not as an income. Let's check our profit and loss account. We go to profit and loss statement, you'll see nothing there, no revenue recorded. So you have moved the money, but your books don't know why. Your IOLTA balance is down, your client liability is unchanged, your income is missing. This is exactly how trust accounting falls apart. One pairing and everything breaks. Now let me show you the correct way. For this, we need to undo the pairing. Go to categorized section, undo from both IOLTA and checking account. Now let's go to invoice section and create the invoice for Sarah Martinez. And before you do anything in the bank feed, create an invoice. Select Sarah Martinez as customer. Invoice date, let's say 1st August. The transfer was made on 8th of August. Net 15 maybe. Product and services, legal service, description, professional fees. Quantity would be 10 hours, rate 200, total 2,000. So let's save it and go back to the bank feed. You see, showing a match against that invoice we have just created in QuickBooks Online. And creating the invoice proves that you have earned the fee before you move the money. If the bar ever audits you, this timestamp matters. Now, watch what happens when we go back to the bank feed. You see this 2,000 deposit. Now it is not showing the pairing as match. It's showing the match against that invoice. It is Sarah's invoice. It is suggesting a match against that invoice. That's exactly what we want. So we need to match it. Now your profit and loss statement will show this amount. Let's refresh. See, it's showing exactly where it should be under the legal service income. That's the operating side done correctly. Now let's go to the IOLTA side. Let's go to the bank feed for IOLTA account. This 2,000, we need to categorize this. So it is paid to the law firm. Let's say ABC law firm, and account should be always the client for which the income has been earned. In this case, it is Sarah Martinez. So we need to select the sub-account of Sarah Martinez under client trust liability. Pick up Sarah, it comes, and now we need to click add. Now let's check the IOLTA balance. Go to the chart of accounts. The IOLTA account balance is 3,000. The fund held in trust or trust liability account balance is 3,000. Sarah Martinez balance is 3,000. So we can say that the 3-point reconciliation has been matched. The IOLTA bank balance is 3,000. Sarah's client ledger is 3,000. Operating account 2,000. Received profit and loss 2,000 income. Everything matches. The invoice changed everything. Without it, QuickBooks pairs a transfer and nothing records properly. With it, QuickBooks matches the right way automatically. Now you know how to transfer earned fees from trust to operating correctly. and you have seen what happens when you don't. IOLTA balance drops. Your client ledger doesn't, your income is missing, and your three-way reconciliation breaks, all from pairing a transfer the way QuickBooks suggests. This video is about my legal bookkeeping series. If you missed the first two, chart of account setup and recording retainers, links are in the description. The next video will be on how to pay client expenses from trust. That's another place where one wrong click creates a compliance nightmare. If your trust accounting is already a mess and you need help fixing it, visit legalbookkeeping.online or connect us with on LinkedIn. Subscribe for weekly tutorials on legal bookkeeping and IOLTA compliance. Thanks for watching and stay compliant.